Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will solve an important issue that can really hurt your website SEO and user experience. Broken link in your WordPress. Whether you are a blogger, a business owner or developer, broken link can be a major headache. But don't worry, I have got you covered. In this video, I will show you how to easily find and fix broken link on your WordPress website. Let's get started. First off, what exactly are broken links? A broken link is any hyperlink that no longer works because the destination web page is missing, has been moved, or the URL has changed. This can happen for a variety of reasons. Maybe you deleted a post, changed your permalink structure, or linked to the external site that no longer exists. So why should you care about broken links? Well, they can lead to a poor user experience, frustrate your visitors, and even negatively impact your SEO. Search engines like Google don't like broken links. They can hurt your site ranking. Plus, nobody wants to click on a link only to be greeted with a 404 errors. Alright, let's move on to finding those picky broken links. The easiest way to do this is by using a plugin called Broken Link Checker. So let's move on. Head over to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugin and click Add New. In the search bar, type Broken Link Checker. Once you find it, click Install Now. And then Active. Now the plugin will start scanning your website for broken links. This might take a few minutes depending on the size of your site. Once the scan is complete, you will see the list of broken links right in your WordPress dashboard. Here we can easily see which links are broken, where they are on your site, even edit or unlink them directly from this interface. Now that you have found the broken links, it's time to fix them. There are few ways you can do this. Edit the link. If the URL has changed, simply click Edit Link and update it with a correct URL. Unlink. If the content is no longer available and you don't have the replacement, you can remove the hyperlink altogether by clicking Unlink. Redirect. For more complex situation where a page has been moved or deleted, you can set up a 301 redirect to point the broken link to a different relevant page on your site. There are several plugins like redirections that make this process simple. Remember, it's important to regularly check your broken links to keep your site running and smoothly. If you prefer not to use a plugin, you can also find broken links manually. This can be a bit tedious, but it's an option if you want to keep your site lightweight. Another approach is to use external tools like Google Search Console or a website like Ahrefs or Scamming Frog, which can crawl your site and report any broken links. Simply input your website URL and those tools will scan your site for broken links and provide a details report. Once you have the list, you can manually fix the link by editing your post or page. And that's it. Now you know how to find and fix broken links on your WordPress website. Keeping your links in check is crucial for maintaining a professional website and ensuring a smooth experience for your website visitor. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tips and tricks. Also let me know in the comments if you have any question or topics you would like me to cover next. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.